Alright, guys, I have started hauling out some of these newer vehicles. Still have some old stuff laying around, but I've finally progressed to the newer stuff. Newer being only 80 years old, or slightly newer. So I pushed this forward and got it ready. I don't know if I'll haul it today. It's so heavy, I'm a little bit concerned about how hard it's going to be to load, but I got, what was it? I think a 1944 two-door sedan, deluxe sedan, no, deluxe coupe, out of here yesterday. And then I was trying to get wheels on this, but my stupid wheels, I just wanted something to roll on. They're not fitting, but I got to looking at this, so I kind of want to focus on this in this video. It's a 52 Cadillac, four-door. It's a Series 62, and there's a little bit of body damage. Needs a new bumper. Yeah, that's bent. Oh, actually, that's in 3 pieces there, so I could probably, honestly, that might even be fixable. Get it back to its original shape, but a little bit of damage down there, slight little dent on the bottom there. There is, I think I saw a little bit of rust rot, like not anything bad. It could be brazed even. Let's see, a couple tiny dents on this left quarter. I think the emblem's a little bit smashed on the left there. It's dented in slightly right there. The roof looks good. Top of the deck lid looks good. Quarter panel's got a dent in the back. Rear door, has a dent in the bottom there. A little bit of a dent there. And a little, boy, whoever drove this didn't know how to. They were good at hitting things on the front quarters. So the windshield is cracked, but all the other glass is good. And it looks like they put tin foil, which makes it really ugly right now, but it protected the interior. The interior in this is actually, while it's dirty and it needs a good cleaning, it's actually quite impressive. So it needs new carpet, but look at the seat. I mean, there's no holes in it at all. I got a feeling this belonged to an old granny at some point. Look at the headliner. It's dirty, but it's there. Just needs a good cleaning. The only interior damage that I can really even see is on the back of the seat. The top there. Let's see. Right there. And probably whatever that material is in the very back. But yeah, I was pretty impressed once I saw the interior. So, and the engine's here. It's all looking good on the engine side of things. I actually think, I don't know if I can open this with one hand. By God, I can. Okay. So, the engine's all here. Looking pretty good. Couple things here and there. Just like the vent hose there. But yeah, it's all here. I think what I'm going to do, I've got some rough weather coming in here. It was 55 or almost 60 degrees this morning. 3 hours later, last time I checked, it's 17. And it was windy. Thank God the wind has stopped, because it was just gets into your bones when it does that. But I think I'm going to try to load this one today and get it back to my shop. And tomorrow, I don't think I'm even going to be able to get the skid steer started. So I'm thinking I might tinker with this a little bit and see what I can do. See if I can drop a battery in it, change the fluids, and see if I can get it to turn over. See what it does. So this one will be going up for sale because I'm just not that into Cadillacs. And it's just not the style that I like. But if you like it out there, let me know. Of course, the more I have to do to it, the price is going to go up. And I don't know what the price should be at this point. If you're interested, make me some offers. Or just stick around and see what I can do to it. Because I'll definitely be getting it running, starting and stopping, I think, unless there's some kind of major issue. Anyway, if you guys are interested, let me know. If you're curious about what I'm doing here, make sure to subscribe and stick around, because I'm going to be tinkering with all these vehicles. Left, right, front, back. Go look at some of the videos that I have already made, and let me know what you think. Well, I got her on. The snow has started, and it is cold outside. It's about 10 degrees or less, but yeah, it wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be, but it wasn't easy either. So anyway, hopefully tomorrow, if I decide to work on it, I can get it in the shop, no problem. Oh man, it is cold out. Anyway, please subscribe and keep watching.